How are cassava roots transformed into fine cassava flour used by food industries around the world? In this video, we show the complete industrial processing of cassava into high-quality, food-grade flour. The process begins with the sourcing of fresh cassava roots from verified cultivation regions operating under responsible agricultural practices. Only mature, high-quality roots with optimal starch content are selected to ensure consistent flour quality and processing performance. Before processing, the cassava roots undergo systematic inspection to ensure quality and safety. This includes visual quality assessment, removal of damaged or non-conforming roots, initial cleaning to remove field debris. The selected cassava roots are thoroughly washed using multi-stage cleaning systems to remove soil, dust, and surface contaminants. This ensures a clean and safe raw material for further processing. The cleaned cassava roots are then peeled and cut into uniform pieces to prepare them for the next stage. Proper preparation ensures efficient drying and consistent processing conditions. The prepared cassava pieces are dried under carefully controlled temperature and airflow conditions to reduce moisture while maintaining starch quality. Controlled drying helps stabilize moisture levels, prevent microbial growth, preserve the natural characteristics of cassava starch. Once properly dried, the cassava is processed through food-grade grinding systems to produce a fine and uniform flour. The flour is then passed through defined mesh sieving systems to achieve consistent particle size and smooth texture suitable for food and baking applications. To ensure product safety and purity, the flour undergoes sterilization treatment to eliminate microbial contaminants while maintaining its nutritional value. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality testing, including heavy metal analysis, microbial safety testing, nutritional evaluation. This ensures the product meets international quality and safety standards. After quality approval, the cassava flour is transferred to the packing and storage area under hygienic conditions. We offer bulk supply, contract manufacturing, and private labeling options, with packaging available in pouches, canisters, capsules, and tablets for global markets. We are Medikonda Nutrients, delivering high-quality botanical for global nutraceutical and food industries.